loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing unboxing of Apocalyptic Beauty July box. I know I'm super late with it, but I was traveling, moving house, so I just didn't have time to film it. And this month's theme is steampunk glam, and everything came in this kind of cute golden package. And let's see what I got. I got 4 items. First one is this lip gloss in Arcana. I'm wearing it together with the Nabla lip liner and classic lipstick body language, and together these look beautiful. I have it swatched here. This is how it looks, so beautiful, and I think they match together very well. Then I have 3 eyeshadows. Let me get. I have 3 eyeshadows and 1 glitter. Let me open the glitter up and zoom you guys closer. So this is the glitter. I lost some footage, that's why you kind of see it like that. It's really beautiful. And this is the first eyeshadow. I will leave the name on down so you guys can see it. So this is the other shade. Again, I will leave the link on display, and this is like more rose gold. I really like it. It's so beautiful. And this is the third shade. This is more the darkest. And these are the 3 swatches. I know it's not the best footage, but I'm sorry about that. So this is it, what I got in this month's box. I'm really happy with the products I received. I think they're all shimmery. You know how I love about my matte shadows, but I do love shimmery shadows, and these are such a wearable shades. And the lip gloss is a bit out of my comfort zone to see how metallic, but with this lip liner and lipstick it goes really well, so I think I will be wearing it tons. So yes, if you want to check it out, the box and how you can subscribe if you're interested, it's an indie brand. It's an indie band. I can't talk today. It's an indie brand that is based in US. I will leave all the info on my blog, which I will link down below, so check that out. But yes, this is it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.